When people think about starting a business, they often focus on the idea itself, the product, the service, maybe even the name or the logo. But entrepreneurship is not just about having a good idea. It is about the willingness to act on that idea, to take responsibility for it, and to manage the uncertainty that comes with building something of your own. At its core, entrepreneurship is a mindset. Entrepreneurs see problems as opportunities. They notice unmet needs, inefficiencies, or gaps in the market and ask a simple question: what if there is a better way? That curiosity, combined with a willingness to take risk, is what separates entrepreneurs from people who only talk about ideas. People choose entrepreneurship for many different reasons. Some want flexibility or independence. Others are driven by passion or the desire to create something meaningful. Some want control over their work and their future. But regardless of the motivation, owning a business means accepting that success and failure both fall squarely on your shoulders. Small businesses play a critical role in the economy. While large corporations get most of the attention, the majority of businesses are small, and many are run by a single owner. These businesses create jobs, support local communities, and often drive innovation because they can respond quickly to customer needs. In many cases, today's largest companies started as very small operations, fueled by one person's vision and persistence. That said, managing your own business is not easy. In a small business, the owner often wears many hats. On any given day, you might be the marketer, the bookkeeper, the customer service representative, and the operations manager all at once. There is no guaranteed paycheck. There is no built-in safety net. The responsibility can be rewarding, but it can also be exhausting. Successful entrepreneurs tend to share several important traits. They are persistent. They are adaptable. They are comfortable making decisions with incomplete information. They understand that mistakes are part of the process and that learning from failure is often what leads to long-term success. Passion matters, but discipline matters just as much. Planning, budgeting, and understanding customers are essential skills, not optional ones. Not all entrepreneurs want the same outcome. Some aim to build large, fast-growing companies. Others intentionally stay small, focusing on quality of life, personal satisfaction, or serving a specific community. Neither approach is better than the other. What matters is alignment between the owner's goals and how the business is managed. Growth can create opportunity, but it also introduces complexity and risk. There are resources available to support entrepreneurs along the way. Counseling, mentoring, training programs, and access to financing can make a meaningful difference, especially for first-time business owners. Seeking help is not a weakness. In many cases, it is a strategic decision. Today's entrepreneurs operate in a rapidly changing environment. Technology has lowered barriers to entry, making it easier than ever to start a business. At the same time, competition is intense and customer expectations are high. The most successful business owners are those who stay informed, remain flexible, and continuously adapt. In the end, entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business. It is about managing uncertainty, making thoughtful decisions, and balancing vision with execution. For some, it becomes a lifelong career. For others, it is a valuable learning experience that builds skills applicable in any profession. Understanding entrepreneurship helps you better understand how businesses function, how value is created, and what it truly means to manage your own enterprise.